Andy.
Daniel!
Nice to see you. What we are sitting on is what's commonly called a rock and roll bed.
Yep.
And this is another system of our own we've devised. I love this because it's so easy to use. A lot of the rock and roll bed options are either very heavy and clunky, and don't go down completely flat, or they've got gaps in, or they're fiendishly complex. There's a number of levers and you have to sort of pull here and push there. And I wanted something that would go down in under 10 seconds, was completely flat and supportive, and had a single lever operation, which seemed like a bit of a tall order, but see if you like it. I'll show you.
Can you demonstrate?
I will demonstrate.
Well, can I do it?
Yes, you can do it. All you need to do.
What do I do?
Hold the top, and then just down there, there's a lever you push across. So pull that lever right across. Pull the backrest towards you.
All right. Yep.
That's it. Folds over. Let it drop down, and just push this last piece away. Push the top. Push this top piece away. Just here. Just the top layer.
Push it. Where?
Put your one hand each side, just on the top bit. One here.
Yeah.
Put your other hand here.
Yeah.
Just push it away.
Oh, I see. Oh, it's that. Oh, right. You see, almost I couldn't do it because I didn't quite have that intellectual capacity. Oh, I see. Oh, it is very flat.
It's very flat, and that's
my shoes are completely clean.
That's all right.
And I can almost lie down. Yeah, now I can completely lie down. That is totally flat.
It is. There's no bumps in it, and
No,
if someone's really tall, we have a 1 foot extension that'll go on here, so you can have it over 7 foot if you want.
Oh, very nice. And I managed to do it all on my own.
See if you can put it away again then.
Okay. Do you know, I actually think I can.
So pull the backrest back towards you.
Pull those back like that.
Lift the thing up in the air.
Lift that up like that.
Let it just click back in. Boom.
How's that?
You're ready to go. That's it.
Anything here?
Auto lock. Things have to
quick.
Things have to auto lock to comply with the VCA specification. So like the double swivel that auto locks in the forward position, that auto locks in the travel position. So that's why that's really important. So that auto locks you in the correct position. And of course we've had that seat tested and so forth, you know. It achieved a good pass. There's a video online of them pulling it on their big rig up at Manchester University actually. So
did I do that right?
I think you did that superbly well.
Do I get a certificate or something? A badge at least.
It's a Blue Peter badge, yeah. Okay. Oh, I'll show you the roof bed while we're in this one, because this one's got a couple of roof panels in. All of our vans, every model has got the reinforcing here for a roof. I mean, you could hang off that. Go on, I'll see if I can manage it. Ooh.
Oh my word.
It's about 20 tons. So it's really strong. So whichever one you buy, you get this. And then this has got some roof panels in. These are upholstered as well. They've got foam in. And they just slot into these channels. So when it's time for bed, you pull them out and you've got 4'6" of width in here. Wow. And for a child, that's quite enough padding. Yep. If you're an adult, you might want to put a thick sleeping bag or something on top as well, just to give you a bit extra.
Kids can take it. They don't care. They can sleep on the floor.
Absolutely. Let's have a look around the back, shall we? So you see, this is the head end of the bed here.
Yeah.
But it's a place you can store your folded up duvets and things during the day.
Yeah.
There's a good space, sort of boot space underneath too.
Yeah.
Can perch here to have a quick picnic as well, with my other view.
You can't move the seat back, can you? So that you can actually use this as a seat.
Well, you wouldn't be able to use it as a seat for travel anyway.
No, I just think just sitting out in the countryside somewhere, looking out the back.
Or you could slide it back.
Tea. Could be very nice.
We like our seats fixed because we have a big mounting plate that fits onto the chassis of the vehicle. It's by far the strongest way. There are some sliding systems, but you end up with lots of grooves in the floor that get full of grit and dirty, and they look very untidy. And then, of course, you can't use the underneath of the bed in the same way for storage. Like this, we've got cupboards from the front and a toilet compartment, cupboards from the back. We really maximise the space, and we've actually made this a tight fit. It's all scribed into the vehicle like the furniture. So when you're in bed, there aren't drafts and places for your duvet to slip down. It's a tight fit, and we can only achieve that by rigidly bolting it into the very framework of the vehicle, you see. So that's why we made that choice. So the wardrobe's accessible from here, and also it's accessible through the back. So if you've got lots of things lined up in here, you can just open it from the back and pop things in during the day. sort of a day access and a night access, you might say.
Okay.
And a big cupboard here that goes right through underneath, and the leisure battery is situated in there in a bit of space next to the wheel arch that wouldn't be much use for anything else, you see.
How much space is there in there?
Oh, I think that's about 2'6" long in there.
2'6"?
Whatever that is in metric.
Well, I'm still imperial, so I'm with you.
And we're not into fixed water tanks either, because you need a special hose to fill them up, and there's limited places where you can do it.
I wonder what that was.
Yeah, so a water tank on wheels. This is just like a little carry-on flight case.
Yep.
Just disconnect the pump. You can wheel this away, fill it up at any tap, and slide it back into the cupboard when you're finished. So it makes it straightforward.
How does it connect to the tap?
It's got a drop-in pump here. You just spin that around like that. You see?
Yep.
That pops out. It's a drop-in pump bomb thing.
Yep.
Then the cap goes. This cap here goes on there.
Yep.
And this folds out like that. So
very good.
So even if you're not feeling particularly strong, that's not hard to do.
No, that's going to work, isn't it?
Yeah. And when you want to drain down for the winter, you've not got to worry about is the tank clean? Have you pulled the right plungers out?
Yep.
It's really easy. You empty this out, and it's empty.
Yep.
And then putting it back in again is really easy too. I love the way on this model of tank we buy that the cap's got a place to stay.
Yes.
So you're not going to lose it. Well, you can just imagine.
It's one of those simple little things.
Yeah, you can just imagine just losing that, can't you?
Yeah, I've lost the cover to my water inlet before now.
Yes.
I lost it. I know exactly where it is. It's a petrol station outside Valencia.
Not much use there.
No.